Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be reviewing the AI copy kit. Let me ask you, are you tired of juggling multiple creative tools? Watch as I reveal an AI innovation that consolidates everything you need into one powerful platform, simplifying your workflow like never before. So let's go through the AI copy kit. We will cover all the points and see the advantages you can enjoy. Make sure you stay till the end of this review, as I will also be showing you the demo of the AI copy kit. So what is the AI copy kit? AI copy kit is a versatile AI-powered app designed to streamline and enhance content creation across multiple formats, enabling users to generate Ultra HD videos, 4K images, human-like voiceovers, and more with ease. Before going further, if you want to check out the AI copy kit at any point, click the link in the description. All the details of OTOs, upsells, and discounts are included in the description as well. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you'll be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Here are some examples of people making profits using AI copy kit. You can pause the video and read these reviews if you want. Let's see some features of AI copy kit and what you can achieve in 3 simple steps if you decide to purchase it. The first is to create AI graphics and images. Instant Google's latest AI, TensorFlow written content. Create and post shorts, stories, and reels for social media. Built-in world-class image and video editors. Create human-like, professional voiceovers. Generate Ultra HD marketing videos in any niche you want. Generate customer support chatbots. Generate high-quality marketing materials designs. And a lot more features that we will see further in the video. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. Take action now and secure your future success with the AI copy kit while enjoying my incredible bonuses. Now it's time for OTOs and upsells. AI copy kit front end for $17.95. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $47. Second OTO is Max Edition for $67. Third OTO is Done For You Edition for $97. Fourth OTO is Automation Edition for $97. Fifth OTO is Agency Edition for $127. Lastly, the sixth OTO is AI Copy Kit Reseller Edition for $147. Now let's see the demo of the AI Copy Kit and understand how it works.
So I'm inside the members area, and you can see over here, you can create a project. You can check your projects list right over here, and the training is listed right over here. And on the top of the page, you can see one-click generator, your create AI content, images and videos to create, AI voice, save prompts, image works, background remover, chatbots, done for your scripts, automation and agency. You can log out from here. Massive language selection that you can select your language from. Training and bonuses are listed right over here. So let's get cracking with this now. So once I click on one-click generator, it'll give me access to the ultimate headline generator, CV generator, monster sales copy writer tool. You've got social media scheduler. You've got tons and tons of options right over here to get started with. And all you have to do is just click on it and get started with it. So let me just quickly give you an example. So on Ultimate Headline Generator, all you have to do is just click on this, and this will actually know what headline that you want to get started with or want to create. So features of the headline that you want to create. So I'll just mention that as AI tools generator and targeted audience. So let's take an example of Instagram and Facebook, and products and services. So AI tools generator will assist with generating quick and easy to understand prompts. And product description, I'll just put that down as the same platform again, Instagram and Facebook. So you've got your advanced settings right over here. So you can change the language selection, and you can have any of these languages as an alternate. So you've got different languages over here, widely spoken languages. So I'll just keep that as English standard. And tone of voice, professional, bold, caring. You've got a wide list of options that you can select from. So I'm just going to keep that on to that as standard, Excel as standard. Numbers of results, I'll just select that as 3, maximum words 200. And let me minimize that and click on let's do the magic. So once I do that, I'm getting amazing prompts right over here. So as I've selected 3 over here, number of results, so it's giving me options, different options. So I can actually select the ultimate headline generators. These are all headlines generated for me. And whatever I like, I just copy that and I paste that on my list. And the same goes with CV generator as well. You can get started with CV generator. Right over here again goes with monster sales copywriter. So if you want to write a sales copy, I'm just going to select this option over here as an example. So okay, so I'll just mention that as AI copy kit is never seen before ChatGPT-4 powered creative suite. Okay, with all these amazing listings. And once I hit on generate, has created some absolutely amazing, rather stunning copies for me. Again, I go on the advanced setting. Again, you can change the tone of voice, number of results, and so on and so forth. So if I select this as 1 and say do the magic, I'm just going to get 1 result. So if I select 3 and select do the magic, and it's going to give me 3 different copies. If I select do the magic, it's going to change that for me. It's going to change the results for me. So yeah, if you're happy with it, you can get started with it. And absolutely amazing way to get started. And again, gig creator, just select on that. You want to create a gig, create me a gig for never seen before, yeah. And then again, just hit do the magic, and again AI is going to generate some absolutely phenomenal results for you. So your gig is generated. I've got 3 amazing results right over here, and I can crack on with any one of them. So amazing results. And again, the list is endless, guys. I mean, you can just go on and on and on about it. I can literally take hours of your time to create all these content related to tons and tons of different categories. So let's crack on with the other section over here, which is create AI content. And once I hit on create project, again, I'll just quickly name the project and hit next. Again, it gives you a wide option of selecting products that you want to get started with: article writer, blog ideas, Amazon product description, features, and the list just goes on, guys. I mean, you've got Google Ad Finder, Facebook ads, FAQs, and LinkedIn posts. The list is endless. So you can generate amazing titles. So let's get started with YouTube titles now. So I'm just going to hit on, so I'm just going to hit on to AI copy kit right over here, and hit on generate some amazing YouTube titles for me. So yep, unlock unlimited creativity with AI copy kit and revolutionize this. And again, you've got advanced settings. So again, number of results, I'll just list that as 3, and again hit generate, and it's going to create some absolutely amazing results for me again. So I've got some brilliant results for my YouTube. See, and you can save that in drafting. It's going to be listed on cloud for you. So I'll just move to the next section, as there is a wide selection of content that you can get started with. So I'm just going to hit on to image and videos. So for images, again, you can just let me, okay, create AI images. Again, you want to create images. I'm just going to be very specific on this. Again, you can select any of these categories. I'm just going to keep that to SDXL, recommended one. And once I do that, I've just put that as a Viking man, and I've got absolutely phenomenal listing over here. If you don't like it, again, hit generate. The AI is going to generate the content for you again. So you can generate as much as content you want. I really like this one, you know. So I may actually save it. So that's going to save that on the list or on my system, so I can save that on the cloud as well. So the next particular section is AI voiceovers. Now, this is very interesting. I've literally just generated the test one earlier today. And
if you are a personal trainer looking to cater to older clientele, crafting a 100-word script can help you effectively sell your services.
Brilliant, brilliant. Look at the quality of that. It's absolutely amazing. So I'll just quickly go on over here and training. I'm just going to select as how to make money online with AI copy kit. Okay. And you don't have to do anything. And you just need to select the prompt. Okay. Hit generate. And within no time, that is going to get generated for you. Again, if you're not happy with it, let me just quickly go over here and hit generate. Okay, so how to make money online with AI copy kit. Again, your content is literally generated with the help of AI. And if you want to add anything, you just put in thanks. Cheers. Yeah, that's all done for you. And you've got your language selection again and your voices. So I'm just going to put that to Andrew, who is multilingual. And this is the voice that you just heard short while ago. So that'll be done within no time. We'll come back to that one and move to the next one now, which are the saved prompts. And you can generate absolutely amazing prompts using this. So make money online. I'll just put that, and this will generate prompts for me. So this is your done for you prompt generator, and this will generate some absolutely fabulous prompts for you. So over here is giving you an option. So as a professional finance advisor, so if you aren't satisfied with any of this content, you just add, or you can remove stuff from that. So how to make all money online on YouTube. Okay. And if I select the option to generate prompts, it will again generate prompts for me by using, obviously, see the ChatGPT. Could you please act on your experience of YouTube consultant? I'm interested in creating a YouTube channel as source of, income, and could really use your expertise on blah, 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 blah. It's absolutely amazing results coming in there. And again, you've got the next option is for image work. You can upscale your image. So I've just selected one of my not so very good AI generated image, and that has actually generated, in fact, enhanced my image. So that will enhance your image. So all you have to do is select an image and hit save, and that'll get created for you. Background remover, again, you just select an image and that will actually remove the background for you. And you've got your chatbots over here. I'm saying ChatGPT. Of course, it's powered by ChatGPT. So if I come here, I just need to name the chatbot. And once that is done, again, you've got a category over here that act as so and so. So you can just select whichever one that you want your chatbot to act as. So if I select a prompt generator, hit on next, and okay, that will give me an option. Okay, bot list, let me just select that, and we want the chatbot to be on the bottom right side. Usually it is on the bottom right side, so I haven't seen any on left side or on top or anywhere else. So let's create. So this is our chatbot, all ready to access. So all I have to do is just click on this try chatbot, and here it is. Can you see this? And I'm just going to put that as dummy. And hey, what's happening? See how quick it is. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, that was a quick one from me on this one. And obviously we have got the detailed training inside AI CopyKit. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. And
I hope you understand how the AI CopyKit works. So take the plunge and witness the remarkable impact it can have on your sales and leads. With the AI CopyKit, you'll experience a revolution in customer engagement, taking your business to astonishing new heights. Check out the link below in the description for the AI CopyKit and exclusive bonuses. As always, thank you so much for checking out my AI CopyKit review, and I'll see you in the next video.